Instagram, Facebook. Thanks to Grant Cardone for helping me for his training. I was able to pay off my debts. And today I was going through his marketing crash course. So I recommend you do this. Use this marketing crash course. You may not use it for YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. You may just use it just for interviews. Like, hey, I used to work in my church. I spent 13 years in a church as an usher, counting the money in the back, Sunday school teacher, deacon. Used to talk before the reverend talk. What else I did? I went to all-guy Catholic high school, all this, and I used to help out at events with martial arts, taekwondo instructor, just things where you just go back. Worked as a janitor at UC Davis. It's great to help you figure out some of the things you've done, some of the things you're going to talk about. One thing I learned is when you're dead, you're dead. So while you're alive, your goal should make as much money as possible. The more money you make, the more confident you get. And you can elevate the life of other people. It's not so much about you. It's about you helping teach others. So go to my website, sign up, 202beautybroke.com.